A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade.
All right, guys, buckle up. We've got some absolutely wild court hearings lined up for you today, and trust me, it's a ride you don't want to miss. Our first sovereign citizen, or should I say sovereign idiot, decides to pull the classic. I'm not a person, I'm an entity stunt. Yeah, you heard that right. The judge's face says it all, and his reaction is just chef's kiss priceless. Courts only recognize real people, so this guy's argument isn't just ridiculous, it's legally useless. Let me know what you think about this courtroom circus in the comments, and if this kind of chaos is your thing, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive in.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not
No.
in the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing. All right.
Likewise.
All right, here we go again. I seriously love watching this judge work. His sarcasm, top tier. It's honestly the perfect way to handle these sovereign citizens who think they've cracked some legal cheat code. You can literally see their confidence crumble as soon as he starts flipping their nonsense right back at them. It's hilarious every time. I'll be dropping the second half of this guy's hearing tomorrow, and trust me, it gets even more unhinged. But for now, I've got another one lined up for you. And this next sovereign citizen, he's totally off his rocker. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's dive into the madness.
What's your name, sir?
I am Moore.
Moore?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation.
Same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
Deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States And so what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, my honor,
Is he injured, deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would
Okay.
like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign
Can
citizen
you
thing?
provide me with the information?
Both.
Let's just be real here. I genuinely can't tell if this guy's faking a mental breakdown or if he's actually lost in the sauce. Probably both, like the deputy said. I mean, what is even the goal here? Claiming his name is just more? Does he really think the judge is going to say, well, okay then, you're free to go? It's absurd. Honestly, at this point, judges should just shut these hearings down the second someone starts with this sovereign citizen nonsense. Either that, or hit them with contempt for wasting the court's time. It's not just annoying, it turns the whole legal process into a bad comedy skit. But hey, what do you guys think? Should judges start cracking down harder on these antics? Let's jump back in.
I think so.
Okay.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said
Said
be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put the bond. Y'all take
I'm
him.
asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
You might
Or
want to
the
stop.
court to be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything should be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two. Which one's the rest of
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
All right, that last stunt sealed it. This guy's definitely not just playing games. We've seen sovereign citizens pull wild stuff, but he's operating on a whole other level. It honestly feels like he's auditioning for a bad reality show. How do you even argue with someone who doesn't believe laws apply to them? Props to the judge, though. Her patience. His next level. Zoom hearings just make it easier for these folks to rant without consequence. Saying I don't consent isn't some legal magic trick. Anyway, I'll post the second half of that first clip tomorrow. Drop a comment. Are these people faking? Or actually off the rails? And if you're into this kind of courtroom chaos, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.